We are in 1974 today for 612 tipper truck with some nice condition original instructions. There they are. We'll put those there. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Right, it's a 4x10 plate we start with one, two yellow bricks like that, a 1x4 brick, another 1x4 in red, plate like that, 2x4, let's put that on as well, and another two 1x2 bricks in yellow. We've got a nice chrome grille underneath, put it up that way. We've got that, a 2x2 plate and a 2x4 plate to go under there. We've got a smooth single tyre wheel to go on there. Then two dually ones like that. We flip it back on here, we can put a roof on that. And then they didn't have the Technic bricks then, obviously, so you have to just lay your tipper on top between two studs like that. And who doesn't like being between two studs? Anyway, there we go. That's tipper truck. It's 612. It's from 1974 and it's done. Bye.